Where are we going to?
Want to go and swim.
Okay. So we have our towel, this one. Then we have this other towel. For some reasons, my sister is going with 2 swimming truck. I don't know her plan, but we'll figure it out.
Want to take selfie? So let me put this one first. I'm
going with this one. Then we are going with cream, should in case there is any dryness or white fish something after swimming. Then we are going with this nylon as well.
And we are going with our perfume in case we see someone that's smelling awful.
So I asked her, why are you going with perfume?
No, some people
if you finish swimming, you still wear back this cloth that you have already spread before.
No, some people smell somehow, so you just say, Auntie, please, can you touch this?
Okay, you are going there to share perfume for others. They will beat you for this delay. Your mind goes there. Okay, my earpod to listen to music, a selfie stick for photos, and my purse, of course, power bank. I don't know why she's going with.
And our hair control and appearance is good.
Why are you going with
your
it?
Why are you going? Very good.
Why are you going with it? Left for me, I'm not going with any of them.
So I'm going with my shower cap.
What is the cover?
My hair. I don't want water to touch it, so it will not scratch me.
Okay.
So that's all for you.
Yeah, good.
And our power bank.
By the way, show us your OOTD, your outfit.
My outfit from Shein. My outfit from Shein. Oh my god.
Show them my outfit. I'm wearing this 2-piece from my tailor. I'm putting on these slippers. I stole it from my sister.
Louis Vuitton for that matter. So the mirror.
Let's start going. say God no ungodly. Oluwa na he comforting me. When these people they comforting me, I swear I jale sometimes. Aye.